In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify age on Facebook. So I've already got Facebook open, and the first thing I'm doing is making sure I'm logged into my account. Once I'm on the main page, I go ahead and click on my profile so I can access my personal account settings. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm looking around the menu area, and I click on Settings and Privacy. That opens up a drop down with a few options, and from there I choose See More in Account Center. This takes me into the account center where Facebook and related settings are managed together in one place. Once I'm inside the account center, I move into account settings. I click on that and it brings up a new section with different categories related to my account information. At this point, I'm looking for personal details, so I click on personal details to continue. Inside personal details, I can see various pieces of personal information tied to my account. I locate birthday in the list and click on it. This is the section where my date of birth is stored, and it's what Facebook uses to help verify age and determine account eligibility features. After opening birthday, I look for the edit option and click on edit. Once I do that, the fields become editable and I can now update my birth date. I carefully adjust the date, making sure everything matches the correct information I want to use for verification. Once the updated birth date is entered, I take a quick moment to review it just to make sure there are no mistakes. Then I move forward and click Save to apply the changes. After saving, Facebook updates the information and the new birth date is recorded on the account. At this point, the age information linked to the account has been updated, which helps with verification. I can now exit out of the settings and return to the main profile, knowing that the changes have been successfully applied. And that's basically it. The process is complete and your birthday information is now updated in Facebook's system.